Hey, it's Tracy and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to walk you through my healthy morning routine. This is what a typical weekday morning looks like for me. So if you want to see that, make sure to keep watching. And if you're new to my channel, hello. I'm Tracy. I put out brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. So I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. So I'm really excited because I partnered with Rite Aid, Clean and Clear, and Aveeno for this video. These are products that I've used for years and years, so I'm super excited to share how they fit into my life. So let's get started with my healthy morning routine.
Good morning. So I usually wake up most mornings without my alarm clock, and I feel so fortunate for that. I do use a little bit of white noise while I'm sleeping to help me just stay in a dream state, so I turn that off. And then instead of checking my email first thing in the morning, what I've been training myself to do is to read. So I just bust out my Kindle and I try and read something that's inspiring or motivating just to start my day on the right foot. Then it's time to open up and see what the New York City weather is like. So I love that I can also see all the people walking on the roofs here. It's a gorgeous sunny day, so it's time to make the bed. My day does not feel complete unless I have properly made my bed. And lately, I've been starting my day with meditation in my bedroom. So I just set the timer on my phone to about 5 minutes and just sit quietly and focus on my breathing and meditate. Then I go into some journaling, and I'm really just journaling about what I'm grateful for. Again, it's just a great way to set my tone. All of this only takes about 10 minutes. Next up, it's time to wash my face. So I'm a huge fan of the Clean and Clear Deep Action Exfoliating Scrub. I love that it has sort of a minty tingle, and it just feels like it gives me a good clean first thing in the morning, wakes me up, brightens up my skin. This and all the products featured can be purchased at your neighborhood Rite Aid. So then a little splash also keeps me waking up. Feels good first thing in the morning. But my next thought immediately after is coffee. So I do not drink caffeinated coffee. I know, so you might be like, why do you even bother drinking coffee? It's because of the ritual. I love the warmth, I love the taste, I love the smell, and I put loads and loads of cinnamon in my coffee. So as I'm waiting for my coffee to brew in my old school espresso pot, I just jump on my computer and maybe just check some quick emails, see if anything I need to know. Time for my favorite part of the morning, pouring that amazing coffee. I use unsweetened almond milk, and then with my nice warm coffee, I go back over to my laptop and just check on my day, see what's going on. I might have some emails from my team, see what they need from me, respond to anything that's urgent, all those kinds of things. And then I usually use a walkie-talkie application so I don't have to type all day to communicate with my team. So now it's time for my workout. Yay! So I'm so lucky that, I get to work out from home. So I choose one of the workouts from Total Body Transformation. For me, because I usually have shot them several months in advance, I always have to preview them to see what is that workout that I made months ago. So I just usually check it a lot of times on my laptop. And then what I end up doing, because I like it a lot more, is I never work out with my laptop. I will actually stream it to my TV. So this workout was called A Little Bit of Everything, and it uses a lot of little pieces of equipment, some light weights, a small ball, a band. So, I'm getting a full body workout. This morning I didn't feel like jumping around at all, so I just wanted to do more of like a toning workout, but definitely this workout was a burner. Next up, shower time. So can't take you in the shower with me, so time to get my shower on, and then I feel fresh, I feel ready, so much more energy. Now I use my Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I just love that it's fragrance-free, it doesn't clog my pores, and I just feel like my skin absolutely drinks this stuff up, especially in the winter months. My skin definitely needs that extra moisture. So now it's breakfast time. So this morning I decided to do a smoothie. So quickly putting all of my fresh ingredients into my blender, giving it a whiz, and look at that gorgeous green, vibrant color. And I added some cacao nibs for flavor. So get dressed, do my hair, put on some makeup. You've seen me do that a million times here on YouTube. I can link link to some videos here in the corner, a little lipstick. I love this new color that I've been using. And then I never forget to use my Clean and Clear oil absorbing sheets. They are a staple and are always found in my purse so that I can do quick makeup touch-ups, get rid of any shine without ruining my makeup. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for joining me in my healthy morning routine. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.